Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 25th, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a warm front that is lifting through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with very heavy rainfall now moving through the New York City metro just in time for the morning rush hour. The good news is that this warm front is moving pretty quickly. So these showers and thunderstorms, although capable of producing very heavy downpours, will move in and move out pretty quickly. So that's certainly some good news. Winds are veering from the southeast to the west around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the upper 60s to mid 70s throughout the region with plenty of humidity in the atmosphere. And that is going to be a theme for the rest of this week. We're going to take a look at the latest satellite picture. Here's our warm front right here. You can see the strong lifting with the cold cloud top showing up very nicely right along the warm front as it's pushing north and east. Then the cold front follows. Notice the lifting is not as strong as the cloud tops are not as cold. Now, as this cold front moves through, it will be weakening, but it still will be capable of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. So definitely keep an eye out for that. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, our cold front will be approaching from the west as our warm front lifts up into New England. Look for a bit more of a humid feel to the atmosphere this afternoon with scattered cloud cover, and yes, there is that threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s on the east end of Long Island, mid 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. For tonight, our cold front exits. Look for scattered cloud cover, but watch out for some locally dense fog possible by tomorrow morning. Lows in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, another weak cold front will follow with a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Again, these thunderstorms are going to be fairly scattered out and isolated, so most locations won't experience them, but they will have the capability of using a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. So if you get stuck by one of these thunderstorms, well, you're going to have to experience a lot of heavy rainfall. So definitely watch out for that, as these thunderstorms will be slow moving and they'll be able to produce a half an inch to an inch per hour in rainfall. So definitely there's that threat for some localized flash flooding and some impacts on travel. Temperatures for tomorrow afternoon will rise into the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast and mid to upper 80s everywhere else. For Thursday, pretty much the same scenario, rinse and repeat. Locally dense fog in the morning hours, isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. Again, the closer you are to the coast, the cooler you will be. On Friday, same scenario once again. Locally dense fog in the morning, a few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. It's going to feel muggy out there with temperatures ranging from the mid 60s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. On Saturday, a stronger cold front will move through, a little bit more organized in terms of showers and thunderstorms. Look for them to develop in the afternoon, with temperatures ranging from the mid 60s to lower 70s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. On Sunday, an isolated shower or thunderstorm still a threat in the afternoon, otherwise scattered cloud cover is expected. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Monday, high pressure and complete control with scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the mid 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid 70s to lower 80s. And on Tuesday, a weak cold front will approach in the evening hours with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, look for scattered cloud cover, lows in the mid 50s to lower 60s, and highs in the lower to mid 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.